Participation is often misunderstood. It is not protest. It is not donation. It is not belief. Participation is alignment with structure. Earth restoration does not require billions of people changing behavior overnight. It requires systems that make restoration the default outcome. Most individuals will never plant a tree. They do not need to. They already participate through labor, consumption, taxation, and technological dependency. The problem is not participation. The problem is direction. Current systems extract value without restoring capacity. Restoration reverses that flow. Participation means economic activity reinforces planetary health instead of degrading it. It means jobs that regenerate soil, infrastructure that stabilizes water, supply chains that rebuild ecosystems. For governments, participation means reallocating effort, not increasing burden. For corporations, it means investing in stability instead of short-term depletion. For individuals, it means choosing systems that already embed restoration. No one is asked to sacrifice survival. Restoration is not austerity, it is optimization. Healthy ecosystems reduce disaster costs. Stable climates reduce insurance risk. Living soils reduce food insecurity. Participation is pragmatic. It is quieter than activism and more powerful. The most effective participants will never appear in headlines. They will build, maintain, and scale. Civilizations fail when participation is symbolic. Civilizations survive when participation is structural. This is not a movement. It is an operating system update.